Hey, all right. One of the key concepts of commercial real estate that you got to understand is net operating income. We're going to do these fast because there's going to be a bunch of them. You can look at tons of videos, but I'll give you my explanation. There's some old videos of mine, whatever, that are out there like doing this, but I'll do it again in this platform. Net operating income is the result of income on the top line. I'll do another video for that. The top line. The top line consists of income from rent and then other income from fees and other things that we'll get into in another video. But basically, top line income, so total top line income of rent income and other income minus operating expenses. Operating expenses are going to be some things that are the expenses that are there to operate a business. So some basic ones are going to be taxes, insurance, utilities, salaries required. Although sometimes a salary could be somebody that's there for a short while, and then that's not considered operating expense. That's a little bit of nuance, but operating expenses are basically, certain levels of maintenance, like I mentioned, utilities. So you take top line income that's comprised of the two things, you take operating income that's composed of a bunch of things, and then you have your net operating income. That is net operating income. And then your value is derived from your net operating income through cap rate, which we'll talk about in another video. And then also your amount of debt you can get to finance it or refinance the building, to purchase it or to refinance it to lower, or sometimes you have to refinance at the higher rates, which is happening in the current climate. And right now in this video is August of 2024. So some folks are refinancing at the higher rates. A lot of people are actually. That's based on the net operating income. So that involves something called debt service coverage ratio, which we'll get into. So that's net operating income. NOI is the result of top line total minus operating expenses, net operating income.